Now I'm going to explain about the HCF by prime factorization. So first you should write down 24 as a product of prime numbers, and 36 also you should write as a product of prime numbers. So first start with 24. So 24 you will get in a 2 table and 3 table also. So you should start with 2 times 12 are 24. Here 12 is not a prime number, so you should write on 2 times 6 are 12. Again 6 is not a prime number, so you should 6 you can write as 2 times 3 are. Now prime factors of 24 is 2 times, 2 times, 2 times 3. Now next write in the prime factors of 36. So 36 is coming in a 3 table and 12 2 table also. So 3 times 12 are 36 you can write. Then 12 you should write as 3 times 4 is 12. Again 4 you should write as 2 times 2 is. So now finally we got all the prime numbers. So factors of 36 we can write as 3 times, 3 times, 2 times 2. Now what is in HCF means? In HCF you should take the common factors. You should take the common factors from the both products. So what are the common factors? Here we have 1 2 is a common factor, so you should write as 2, and one more 3 is a common, so you should write on 3. Then we are getting one more 2 also as a common, so you should write on 2. So now final HCF answer is 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. So the HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Here we will go with the second question. Find the HCF of 18 and 60. Find the HCF of 18 and 60. So first you should write 18 as the product of prime numbers and 60 also. So 18 you should start with the 3 table or 2 table. So I'm taking 3 table. So 3 times 6 is 18. Then 6 is not a prime number, so you should write as 3 times 2 the 6. Now finally we got 18 as the product of 3 times 2. Now next is 60. So it will come in a 3 table and a 2 table. So I'm starting with the 3 table. So 3 times 20 is 60, but 20 is coming in 2 table or 5 table. So I'm taking to the 2 table. So 2 times 10 is 20. Next 20 I'm writing as 2 times 5 is. Now finally we have all the prime factors. So that is 60 is equal to, which can write 3 times, 2 times, 2 times and 5. So the HCF. So when how to write the HCF? Now you are need to take the common factors of the given from the product. Now you should pick the common products. So now what are the common factors? Now here we have 1 3 we are getting as a common, and one more 2 as in a common. So the HCF of 18 and 60 is 3 times 2 is 6. So it is a 6. Now third question, find the HCF of 28 and 45. Now you should take the 28 and find the prime factors of 28 and take the 45 and write the prime factors of 45. So 28 is coming in a 7 table and 4 table and 2 table. So I'm starting with the 2 table. Why? Because 2 is a prime number, and you can take the 7 table also. 7 is a prime number. So 2 times 1 is 4 is. So 2 times 14 is 28. Again it will come in as 2 times 7 is. So finally we got 20 as a product of 2 times 7. Now you should write 45 as 45 is coming in a 5 table. So you should write in 5 times 9 is 45, and this 3 is not a prime number, 9 is not a prime number. So you should write as 3 times 3 is. Then 45 you should write as 5 times 3 times 3. Now what is in a HCF? We are going to select the common factors from that products. Now what are the common factor here? Here nothing is there common. So if there is no common factors now. Now what is the HCF now for this situation? So if there is no common, you should take HCF as 1. So the HCF of 28 and 48 is 1.